Hello friends, today is Restoration Inspiration. Our hosts are 6 Kids and a Glue Gun and the Crafty Art Shack. And our co-host is CJ. Please check out their channel in the description box and the playlist of all the other amazing creators. Today I will be working on 2 Easter signs. Hope you enjoy them. I use this color brown paint. Let's see what the name of it is. It's Bear Ultima, and Aged Barrel is the name of it. And I use this like stain. It's one of those colors that I always have in my collection. And you can just get samples. This is just a sample. And what I do is I paint it on. You can even mix this with water if you want to do it where it would be. You might find it easier. And then I take a paper towel or a rag, whatever you have, and just wipe it off. And you wipe off as much as you, when you like it, you stop. I'm going to do the same thing on this cross. The only thing is this one's got this. Make sure that's painted good too. With stain, I normally had to do 2 or 3 coats to get it where I wanted. When I started doing this technique, it's 1 coat and I'm done. It made it so much easier. And if you wanted to, after you wiped it off, you can even go in with sandpaper and sand it down to make it even look more rustic. If I wanted to, I could go in with some sandpaper and go. base paint them on in white. Not a big deal. We've all base painted these circles before. The glue. I'm gonna kind of put it off center, like there, and then I'm gonna turn it and go. Okay, here's our little sign. He is risen sign. Here's our surface. We're gonna come back in and do just a little green to make it look like some grass blades. Everybody knows I use a lot of pink in my decor and a lot of pink in my paintings. So I'm going to take and add some pink flowers just here and there. That's just the tip of my paintbrush. Or just doing random. And do as many as you like, or as few as you like. Second sign, and you could definitely write Amazing Grace or He is Risen on either side of this cross, but I didn't. My handwriting isn't that good, and I don't like my writing on signs that well. Or you could even do it in vinyl, but I don't have a Cricut, so. But here's a cute sign idea.